Hello, my dear students. Welcome in GK session. So, today we are moving on lesson number 6. Okay. And what is the title of this lesson? Dried fruits and nuts. So, this lesson is about dried fruits and nuts. You can see the page, all the images of dry fruits and nuts. Okay. So, here dried fruits and nuts are not just delicacy but a powerhouse of nutrition. Means dry fruit delicacy means expensive food item that is considered highly rare or luxurious life. મીન્સ એક એક્સપેન્સિવ ફૂડ છે બટ એટલું જ નહીં બટ એને શું કીધું છે પાવર હાઉસ ઓફ ન્યુટ્રિશન્સ. એમાં ફૂલ ઓફ ન્યુટ્રિશન્સ છે, વિટામિન્સ, પ્રોટીન્સ, ઘણું બધું છે. ઓકે, સો કમ્પ્લીટ ધીસ સેન્ટેન્સીસ વિથ ધ નેમ ઓફ ધ ડ્રાઈડ ફ્રૂટ્સ ઓર નટ્સ. સો these all sentences we have to complete by filling name of these dry fruits. So in this page you can see, okay, and in the clues the name of dry fruits are given. So from these clues we have to fill answer. So what we have to do? We have to read these sentences and write the name of these nuts and dry fruits from the clues. Okay. So, number 1. Let's start. Number 1. Blank are obtained by drying grapes and are good source of energy and protein. They are also used as snacks and in baked or cooked products. Means, what is the name of these dry fruits? Raisins. Okay. Here answer is in the blank. Answer is raisins. From the clue you have to find. Okay. Obtained by drying grapes means when green grapes is become dry, okay, so it becomes like this green, and when black grapes dried, it becomes like this black grapes. Okay, so in this lesson only green grapes is given, but black and you can see here black and green grapes, dried grapes images. Okay, so they are also fat free and cholesterol free. So students, આને તમે કિશમિશના નામથી ઓળખતા હશો. ઓકે, બટ ઇટ્સ નેમ ઇઝ રેઝિન્સ, જેનો તમે એઝ અ સ્નેક્સ એન્ડ કુકમાં બી તમારા મમ્મી યુઝ કરતા હશે ઇન સ્વીટ આઇટમ્સ. એન્ડ નેક્સ્ટ વન ઇઝ number 2. Blank are rich in carbohydrates and are an excellent source of dietary fiber. Means dietary fiber means its name is figs. Okay, so figs are rich in carbohydrates and excellent source of dietary fiber. Dietary fiber means those who want to lose their weight. So it is full of fiber. So for weight loss we can eat this. Okay, this dry fruit is mostly used in sweet and savory recipe. એનો મમ્મા સ્વીટ્સમાં બી યુઝ કરતા હોય છે અને એની સ્વીટ્સ બી અવેલેબલ હોય છે માર્કેટ્સમાં. So this one is figs. And this is also fig. When it becomes dry, it looks like this. Okay. So, it supports weight loss. Okay. જેને આપણે અંજીર કહીએ છીએ. It is called figs. Next one is blank are excellent for the brain and skin. Okay. So this dry fruit is good for brain and skin. Okay. This crunchy nut is used in most of the Indian sweets. આપણી ઇન્ડિયન્સની એક સ્વીટ ડિશીસમાં મોસ્ટ ઓફ ઇટ ઇઝ યુઝડ. ઇટ ઇઝ વેરી ઇફેક્ટિવ ઇન મેન્ટેનિંગ હિમોગ્લોબિન લેવલ. હિમોગ્લોબિન મીન્સ આપણા બ્લડનું હિમોગ્લોબિન પર્સન્ટેજ લેવલમાં હોય છે, જેને એ મેન્ટેન કરવામાં હેલ્પ કરે છે. ઓકે. સો આલમંડ્સ આર હાઈ ઇન વિટામિન ઈ. ઓકે. એનામાં વિટામિન ઈ બી ખૂબ હાઈ લેવલમાં હોય છે. So it is a very good for skin and brain. And we are calling it as a badam. અને આપણે શું કહીએ છીએ? Called it badam. And its name is almond. So in the blank we have to fill answer almonds. Okay. Next one is blank are regarded as brain food because their shell is shaped like a human skull and the kernel resembles a brain. Means this nut's name is walnuts. Okay. So walnuts, see how it looks? It looks like a human brain. Okay. And its outer shape, outer layer is looking like human skull. Okay. So its edible part, this one is its edible part, is looking like a human brain, and kernel resembles means its outer layer is looking like a human skulls. Okay. Human skull. This nut is a great snack and is often used in waffles and cakes. Means આ નટ્સનો યુઝ સ્નેક્સમાં એન્ડ કેક્સમાં બી થતો હોય છે. ઓકે. ઇટ કીપ્સ અવર હાર્ટ હેલ્ધી. જેને આપણે અખરોટ કહીએ છીએ. આને આપણે શું કહીએ છીએ? અખરોટ. એન્ડ in English its name is walnuts. Next one is blank are green and purple colored nuts. These nuts are green and purple colored. Okay. And its name is pistachios. They are enclosed in a black colored shell and are an excellent source of vitamin B6. It is full of vitamin B6. They are also referred to as smiling pistachios by the people of the Middle East. જે મિડલ ઇસ્ટ રિજનના પીપલ્સ છે એને શું કહીને બોલાવે છે? શેનાથી એ ફેમસ છે? સ્માઇલિંગ પિસ્તાચિયોસ. સી ઇટ્સ શેપ. ઓકે. એન્ડ ઇટ ઇઝ કવર્ડ વિથ ધીસ શેલ. એનું ઉપરનું શેલ હાર્ડ છે. ઓકે. સો સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, જેને આપણે પિસ્તા કહીએ છીએ, ઇટ્સ નેમ ઇઝ પિસ્તાશિયોસ, which is green and purple color. So which dry fruits and nuts are here, students? See, raisins, figs, almonds, walnuts and pistachios. Okay. So students, these all dry fruits are rich in vitamins and proteins and also boost our immunity. So dry fruits are excellent and healthy, suitable for our daily snacks. So you all have to eat little bit dry fruits daily. તમારે થોડા થોડા dry fruits daily ખાવા તો જોઈએ જ. Okay students, so today I am sending you with this PDF of this lesson of hard words and blanks, and also sending you this textbook page PDF that also you have to fill. Okay, so complete it properly with a good handwriting, with a heading, lesson number, lesson name. Okay students, till then, bye bye.